We're in Utah. We get up early, before the sun. We have a coffee and talk about what we're going to do. We're happy, excited. We push our bikes up the mountain, 300 meters. Then we ride down, fast. Again and again. We fly. The next day, we wake up with the sun. We're going to the White Rim.
Our long day on the White Rim. We have 70 miles of biking ahead of us. Pretty amazing place to wake up.
We get ready for the journey. We cycle past rivers, rocks, and mountains. We get to the White Rim. We take photos. It's beautiful. And it's hot. But then, suddenly, rain. Lots of rain. There are new rivers. And the sun comes out again. We're going home.